How to recover deleted Instagram messages. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can recover deleted Instagram messages. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. So let's dive right into it. First, you can locate your Instagram app and then open it up. So the thing here is Instagram does not have any backups. So since it does not have any backup, you will need to get the information from Instagram themselves. To do that, head over to your profile by tapping on the bottom right, and you should be on your profile like I am. Then tap on the three lines on the top right. After you do that, you'll need to head over to your account center, tap on it. And now what you'll need to do is you'll find your information and permission under account settings. Tap on that. And after you do that, now you will find an option to export your information. Simply tap on it. And after you do that, it should take you to this web right here. Tap on Create Export. After you tap on Create Export, choose your Instagram account. Then tap on Export to Device if you want to download the information to your device itself, or if you want to mail it, you can tap on Export to External Service. I will tap on Export to Device. After you do that, you will then be able to customize information. Tap on that. And from here, you can simply select Messages option. Then tap on Save. Then tap on Start Export. Now they will provide you with the password entering section. Enter your password, and after that, you will receive an email when they are done recording your collecting information, and then they will send it to you on this very section. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. That's how you can get recovered deleted messages. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.